guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a little craft with me session using the Daydreamer Lollipop Box Club kit. I'm very excited. First, let me say sorry I did not upload a plan with me video yesterday. I was really busy and I just kind of needed a day off, but I don't think I will be doing a plan with me to make up for it this week. So the next one you will see is going to be on Sunday. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started because I don't know how long this is going to take me. But if you guys know the Lollipop Box Club, I received it in the mail. This is the Daydreamer box and I super love it. And I'm going to be crafting, and I'm actually going to be trying out Lisa's suggestion. If you guys follow Lisa on YouTube or on Instagram, she always likes to leave little suggestions on how you can use the kit. And for this month, her suggestion was a daydreams notebook, and it says, in your kit you will find a notebook to document your daydreams, which is this one right here. You can watch a YouTube video on the 4th to see how I'm using mine. I saw it, loved it. You will also see how I've used the DIY collage sheets from Daisy and also the stencil in the kit. If you don't wish to use the notebook to doodle and scribble, you can use it as a mini creative journal. The collage sheets are also fun to cut out and to add to your planner journals, cards, and scrapbooking pages. You will find lots more ideas on the Lollipop Box Club blog month this month. So yes, as you guys know, I currently am part of the PR team, and Lisa always likes to post all of our projects on her blog. So if it's something you guys like to check out, go ahead and check out her blog. I have links for everything down below for her Instagram, her YouTube, her Facebook, all that stuff. But okay, so today I'm going to be doing this little idea right here, creating a daydream notebook. So this is the little notebook, as you can see. It's so cute. It's just like that cardboard, and it has blank white paper. And what we're going to do is kind of just deck it up and use what we have. So here's all the paper, and these are the cutouts that she was actually talking about. I already cut a few out. Here's a whole sheet, so if I needed some more, I have an extra backup. And then as you can see, I cut out some of my own, and they're right here. There's also tags. I want to decorate that tag. There's like little dies, the paper. I got some washi tape that I thought would match, and I got some glue dots and the stickers and stuff. So I think my favorite part of this kit is definitely the notepad. I always loved all the notepads that Lisa brought out in these kits. Super pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the background. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and change the cover altogether. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to be just like freehand cutting. So this is definitely not going to be perfect, but it'll be what it is. Right. So I don't know if that's going to work, but I should probably try to do the line. Just going to go ahead and I'm just using a pen. Again, I'm not trying to make this perfect. It's just going to be what it is. And I'm using my new scissors that Pam sent me. I love these. Oh god, they cut so nice, and I feel like they're helping me cut straight. So cute. So now we're going to go ahead and mark our lines. I'm leaving like a little border. That way you can see part of the cardboard. And although I love this Daydreamer cutout, I think I'm still going to cover it. Alright. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and get my fixer. I think I'm just going to stand up. It's so much easier because since I have my tripod, my Matt's a little more up this way, so it's a little harder to reach when I'm sitting down. I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day. I had a really beautiful one. We went to Red Lobster to eat. We went to Target, did a little bit of shopping. That was fun. Had lots of fun. Okay, so then next I'm gonna go ahead and add, I thought I had, oh, we do have the Daydreamer postcard. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and fussy cut it and see if I can use it. Just gonna try to follow the little cloud. And I'll make one. Little sun. Perfect. So let's see if we can add this on here. Oh, I can do it like that. I really want to use it, so I'm going to go ahead and use it at an angle, and then I can add something else to decorate it with. So we're just going to put it like that. Perfect. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and add this rainbow. There's a little sun, a little bird. Perfect. I'm going to add him. Oh. There. Isn't that cute? Alright, and then I'm going to add this little moments typed word. Just like that. Okay. Super cute. I like that. Alright, so then next we're going to go ahead and decorate again. I think I want the inside to be pink. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do the same thing, leave a little border. So as you can see, I also cut off the part that was at the top this week, and I cut out all these dates because I think how I'm going to do it is do like a specific quote, right? Because I have more of these, so that's a good way to keep adding them to my journal. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one right here. And then we're going to go ahead and put our Monday at the bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the main point, my thoughts on here, and then I can outline, I can write a more detailed surrounding that. So I thought that would be cute. And let's see, I'm going to go ahead and add this little cloud. And then just kind of decorate them as I go. That would be really cute too. Just like that, right? So then I can write down everything that I need right there. I'm gonna take out the washi tape because I can look at how cute this matches perfectly. So then we can do 2 days on here. This washi tape is from the Dollar Tree. One of you guys send it to me. I'll go ahead and just like that. I like how it sounds. It's so cute. And I can do each week differently, you know, I don't have to do each week the same or each day the same. So we have that. So then we can put, what do we need? Tuesday and Wednesday. Like that. This is the little cutout. I'm going to go ahead and add it. It's a good way to decorate my little box. And this is also a fun way to plan, so if you want to plan using all the boxes, it's something you can definitely do. Alright, I also have these little pull apart cards that we can use to decorate. Again, I'm not going to use my paper trimmer, just kind of cut freehand. I guess when you think of a journal, you would think that it's supposed to be something like not perfect, something that's just fun to do, to use, etc. Alright, so next we can move on to the next one. ahead and decorate this tag. It's nice to have like a little page marker. Perfect. Just gonna add the little clouds, because this one says head in the clouds and this one says never stop dreaming. And we're gonna put our sun at the top. How cute is that? I love that. There we go. So now that we have our little tag, we can go ahead and pop it into our journal, just like that. And then I can continue on. I can write in it whatever I want to put. Main thoughts, right around the white blank page. Here I have my little page marker. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's what my little journal looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. As always, if you enjoyed it and want to see more, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new. I would love to have you in my planner family. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!